and welcome back to my channel. So here's the thing guys, I was so obsessed with these videos from YouTube and TikTok where people were creating transforming their old clothes. Seriously. And I also thought, like, why not grab my old clothes and transform them into something trendy and something cute. Basically I was inspired by Princess Polly's Instagram account. You can also check them out. They have like so many cute stuff. Fact is, they are way more pricier for me. I really can't afford it. So if you also feel the same, then this video is for you guys. I'm there for you. I'm gonna help you. But the problem is I don't have a sewing machine. But that doesn't stop me from doing what I really want to do. So I grabbed everything that I had in my home and I got started.
So when I started searching my closets, I found a lot of clothes that I don't even wear, and all these clothes are very old. So this is the first cloth that I will be transforming. So I will be transforming this into this.
Place this shirt over the yellow shirt and then take the measurement and then cut it off. So yeah, hope it turns out good. Let's do it.
So for this shirt, it was very easy DIY for me because I only had to take the measurement and then I cut it off. I also cut the sleeves, and yeah, I really liked how it turned out. I was about to give it to someone else, but luckily I kept it, and yeah, here's the final look. So this one is actually gifted by my relatives, which I don't even wear. I'm so much in love with the sweater trend right now, so I want to create something like this. So what I did was I first took the measurement and then I cut it, but it was too short, so I thought to attach the bottom part. So this is the final look guys. I really loved how it turned out. I also added a small pocket. I'm really glad that I made this out of my old clothes and I don't even have to waste like so much money on it. I also made one scrunchie. So this off shoulder was also gifted by one of my best friend, and the problem with this off shoulder is that it doesn't stay on place and it actually becomes very uncomfortable. So I thought to DIY this off shoulder. So I decided to make skirt out of this off shoulder. So what I did was I removed the elastic of one side. So it was really hard for me to work on this particular outfit, but after analyzing for some time I came up with some idea and then I started working.
So I took out the button, extra button which you get in the coat. Here.
For this crow neck top, I was really excited how it will turn out vanilla.
So guys, I want to create something like she has worn in this video.
So I'm gonna create something like this. So I took the measurement from the sweater that I had. Then I folded the front part and I cut it from the middle.
Yeah, this is how it looks after cutting. Maybe I'm gonna fold this inside and
I also wanted this sweater to be a little bit short, so I cut the bottom part. And I also cut the sleeves. So the remaining piece of cloth, I used that to make this ruffle like detail. So guys, this is what I have done till now. It took me like more than an hour. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I really liked it how it turned out. So yeah. So here's the final look, guys. It exactly looks like one of the Princess Polly's sweater. I really loved it. Looks very cute and it is quite in trend right now. So you may have seen a lot of mini skirts in Princess Polly's page. They have so many cute skirt. I also want to make something like this. So I took one of my skirt and then I measured the length, then I cut it and then hemmed the bottom part. It was quite easy. So it exactly looks like one of the Princess Polly's skirt, and I also made some scrunchies out of the remaining cloth.
So yeah guys, that is for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do comment down below which was your favorite outfit. I would love to know. And one thing I want to say you that don't stop creating, don't stop doing what you like. I know you can do it. Believe in yourself, guys. You got a long way to go and you can do it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep loving, keep supporting. Love you all. Bye bye. चुरा के ले गया चुराने वाला मेरा दिल, हाय मेरा दिल।